Hello everyone, my name is Chan Wei Jun and my matrix number is B0522101003. So today I will present my assignment based on the guest lectures on scheduling and forecasting in industrial engineering. So this presentation is divided into two parts. So for the part 1, which is the scheduling in industrial engineering. So right now we move on to the introduction to scheduling. So scheduling is the process of planning and organizing tasks, workers, machines, and materials to ensure operations are completed efficiently and on time. So in industrial engineering, scheduling is very important because industries handle many operations at the same time. Proper scheduling helps improve workflow, reduce delays, and increase efficiency. So in scheduling is commonly used in manufacturing, logistics, maintenance, and production systems. So for example, factories use scheduling to arrange machines operations and worker assignments so that the production can continue smoothly. Okay, next we move on to the fundamental concept of scheduling. The fundamental concept of scheduling is to arrange tasks and allocate resources efficiently to improve productivity and reduce delays. So there are several important concepts in scheduling. So the first one, which is jobs sequencing, the second one, resource allocation, the third one, time management, and the fourth one, workflow optimization. So this scheduling helps industries determine which task should be done first and which machine or worker should be assigned to the task. So for example, in a factory, scheduling helps reduce machines' idle time and ensures production runs smoothly. Okay, importance of scheduling. So scheduling is important in industrial operation for several reasons. So first, it improves productivity because machines and workers can operate more efficiently. Second, it reduces idle time by avoiding unnecessary waiting periods. The third, scheduling helps company meet customers' deadlines and deliver product on time. So it also reduces operation costs by minimizing waste and overtime. And lastly, scheduling improves coordination between departments such as production, inventory, and logistics. So overall, proper scheduling helps industry maintain efficient and organized operations. Tools and techniques used in scheduling. So there are various tools and techniques used in scheduling. So one common tool is the Gantt chart, which visually displays tasks and timelines. Another tool is the ERP system, which integrates scheduling with inventory and production management. Besides, there are several techniques are also used in scheduling. So the first is the FCFS, which is we call first come first serve. First come first serve is where the jobs are processed according to arrival order. And the next is the CPM, critical path method. So the critical path method, which identifies important activities that affect project completion time. And the third one is PERT, we used to call program evaluation and review technique. So it estimates project's completion time under uncertainty. And lastly, Johnson's rule. Johnson's rule helps optimize job sequencing into machine production system. Okay, last, the application of scheduling. Scheduling is widely applied in many industries. So in manufacturing, scheduling organizes production activities and machine operation. So in logistics, scheduling controls delivery timing and inventory movement. In the airlines industry, scheduling is used for aircraft maintenance planning. And the hospital also use scheduling to manage doctors, nurses, and operation rooms. So these applications show how scheduling improve efficiency and coordination in industrial operation. So in conclusion, for scheduling is an important part of industrial engineering because it improves productivity, reduce delays, and optimize resource usage. So a proper scheduling will allows companies to achieve smoother operations and better overall performance. Okay, so right now I will continue with the part 2, which is forecasting in industrial engineering. So, introduction to forecasting. Forecasting is a process of predicting future demand or trends using historical data and analysis. Forecasting is important because it supports planning, reduce uncertainties, and improve decision making. So, industries use forecasting in production planning, inventory management, and supply chain operation. So, for example, company forecast customer demand before festive season to prepare sufficient inventory. Okay, we move on to the fundamental concept of forecasting. So the fundamental concept of forecasting is to use past data and analysis to estimate future outcomes. So the main concept includes demand prediction, trend analysis, data analysis, and risk reduction. Forecasting helps industry prepare resources and production plans more efficiently. For example, retail company forecast customer demand to avoid shortage during peak seasons. Next, the importance of forecasting. Forecasting is important in industrial engineering for several reasons. First, it improves inventory management by preventing shortage and overstocking. Second, it supports production planning by helping factories prepare production schedules. And third, forecasting improves budget planning by estimating future expenses and profits. It also reduces the operational risk by helping industry prepare for market changes. Finally, forecasting improves customer satisfaction by ensuring products are available when needed. Tools and technique used in scheduling. There are two main categories for forecasting techniques, which are quantitative and qualitative techniques. So quantitative techniques include moving average, exponential smoothing, regression analysis, and time series analysis. And for the qualitative technique include Delphi method, market survey, and expert judgment. And these methods relies on expert opinions and customer feedback when historical data is limited. So lastly, application of forecasting. Forecasting is widely used in different industries. So in manufacturing, forecasting estimates future production requirements. In supply chain management, it predicts inventory and delivery needs. Retail industry use forecasting to estimate customer demand. And forecasting is also used in predictive maintenance to predict machine failures before breakdown occurs. These applications help industry to improve planning and reduce operational problems. So, conclusion for forecasting. So, in conclusion, forecasting is an essential tool in industrial engineering because it helps industries predict future demand, improve planning, and support decision making. So, by accurate forecasting, it reduces the uncertainty, improve operational efficiency, and helps the company respond better to market changes. So thanks for the attention and thank you so much everyone.